All right, another day, another video. I'm opening this up, gonna cut the hole for the exhaust. Got that capacitor coming in for the air compressor here in a few days. And yeah, once we get the air compressor going, should be pretty close to being done after that. Not a lot of steps left. Just throwing in the urethane machine and some barrels, and then we're gonna take it to a guy that specializes in working on these, or specializes in them, I guess, or something. And he's gonna set it up for us and get it ready to go, so it's good. Not a lot left. Probably by the end of this week, I mean, hopefully by the end of the week, should be pretty much done. Just gotta wait for the capacitor, really, and check out that air compressor. That's gonna be something that we need to wait on. Got the new air filter on, tightened up. It's a little uneven, this last band. I didn't notice that. We'll fix that. Should work great. Catch plenty of air. Nothing wrong with changing the style. I don't even know if that other one was for it, but this should do fine. So right now, I'm gonna try to drill this hole. I'm hoping it's in a good spot. My only concern is I only have so much room before this hits. So I could only really go that far. I almost need to line it up with this exhaust. And then I can't really catch those ribs. Huh. I think it'd be actually better if I just took a drill bit, got it kind of centered on the bottom, drilled up so I'm not hitting any ribs, and then go from there. Because yeah, you don't want to drill those ribs out. That'd be bad. Lose structural integrity doing that. And I mean, it's just a big rib. So I'll see if the hole saw will fit. Then start a hole at the bottom, kind of line up this thing. I wonder if I got something that could sit in the center of that. Yeah, I'll just figure out from the bottom. Seems like a good spot here. Oh, I guess if I wanted to drill these bolts in, it couldn't go into the door. So it'd kind of need to be back over here. That's gonna suck. Yeah, this door is pretty much right on the thing. I'm gonna give him a call and tell him, because the other day he was telling me just to cut this and have it go up, but we can't do that. And I didn't really think about it. It's the end of the day, and I forgot about the door here. Wasn't thinking. But all right, yeah, I'm gonna give him a call. So I guess he might come out and look at it. Just move the exhaust over here. I'll drill the hole up. And then moved it past the door. Hopefully that's not going to be in the way of anything. I want to put a wall there. So, just going to have to make it work, I guess. Okay. Now the only problem is these ribs. Yeah, I'm right on a rib. Well, yeah, I'm gonna shift it a little bit. Okay. Oh, well, I guess I am gonna need to cut that a little bit. Is it pushed up against the... Yep. Yeah. We're gonna need to cut it. All right. Let go. No. Yeah, look underneath here. How's the van? You guys drove that to Kenai?
Yeah, we had to change the brakes. Oh, isn't there a dish? Oh no, I think we threw that one away, huh? We should have stole the hose off of it. No. Okay, it's nice and solid. All right, everything's bolted in. I'm gonna try dropping it. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh my god, that's sturdy. Yeah, not moving at all. The only problem is if somebody's gonna hit something on this. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. But I guess you would hit the exhaust, and the front end is about just as low, so should be good. I like how we didn't have to cut too much around that. Looks nice. Nice and solid. Yeah, it's just not long enough no matter what. Well, just get a bigger one of these. Go measure this. So I need one 43 inches at least. That should be good. Yeah, 43 will work. Just gonna look in here for other exhaust clamps. Okay, let's get all these. See if we can put this one on. Got the exhaust all wrapped in there, looking good. It's a little crooked, but it's working out. That could just be, you know, that thing wasn't lined up properly, the hole. So now it's at an angle a bit, but that's not gonna hurt anything. It's still gonna work out. It's in there enough, cinched down. Should work out. So tomorrow, yeah, I'll come here with the flex pipe, wrap that up. Maybe try to hook in this breaker somewhere and start the generator. Or yeah, maybe start it. But then I need to start working on a hole on this side of the van for the radiator. That'll probably be what I'm doing tomorrow, too. But we'll see. Every day's an adventure. A new thing awaiting. I'll see you guys on the next video.